So welcome back, guys. So if you've not watched the video on how I trimmed this cake, I think I'm going to leave a link after this video for you to go and watch it. So but basically in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to the first step to cover your cake before covering to fondant, and it's called crumb coating. But this particular crumb coating, you add a bit of crumbs to your buttercream. So yeah, I just added some vanilla cake, basically vanilla cake. So I just give it a little bit of stir. So you can see that I added vanilla cake to this. So yeah, so basically let's just head straight to the video and cover this cake. So just basically, you see after this process, you see that all your holes are covered, all the places that were not properly even before should be even now, and yeah. So yeah, basically this is it. Crumb coating. Yeah, basically this is the end of this video. I'm gonna next series of video you're gonna be seeing on this channel is just me decorating some cakes with fondant. And yeah, I guess I will catch you when I get back. Peace out.